Hey YouTube, it's Annabelle. So during October, I am finding more natural, more chemical-free, and more budget-friendly ways of cleaning things around our house. Now today, I am going to be making my own homemade laundry detergent. Now this recipe is the one that I find most common on YouTube and by other YouTube mommies and all that fun stuff. So I just wanted to run down what I am doing so far. Alrighty, so right now I am boiling 2 cups of water. I just started it to get that boiling. I grated a half of a bar of the Fells Naphtha bar. So there's a half a bar. I put it in my grater through my food processor. So I'm going to be putting that in my water as soon as it starts to boil and dissolving the soap in the water. Okay, so then I'm going to be using a half of a cup of the Arm & Hammer All Natural Super Washing Soda, and I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of the Borax, the All Natural Laundry Booster. And I'm going to, while that is just going to start to boil, I'm going to put that soap in there and start to dissolve it. And then I'm going to get 2 gallons of hot water in my 5-gallon bucket that I have down here. And I have labeled my gallons. But yeah, so I'm going to fill it up with 2 gallons of hot water. Now this is a half recipe. Hey guys, so I am back now. I have dissolved my grated half a bar of Fells Naphtha in my 2 cups of water, and I filled my bucket up with 2 gallons of hot water. Now I'm going to add my 2 cups of this, and then my half a cup of the super washing soda, and my 1/4 cup of Borax into the bucket, and then I'm going to add another half gallon of water, and then I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it sit overnight. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just mixed all of my ingredients into my bucket, and I added another half gallon of water. So I have just over 2.5 gallons of soap in here right now. And I just wanted to run through this really fast. Whoa. Alrighty. I'm going to be using, to scent my laundry detergent, I'm going to be using 100% pure tea tree oil as my essential oil, and I will be doing that tomorrow morning. And so just to run down on cost, what you need for this. Now, I already had this because I do cloth diapers, and I use tea tree oil in to like freshen my diaper pail and make my own wipes, juice, and all that kind of stuff. So I already had this, and my Fells Naphtha bar cost $1.19, and I used half of it, so that's about 60 cents. And then a whole box of the Borax cost me $4.45, and a whole box of the Arm & Hammer All Natural Super Washing Soda cost me $3.55. And you are just using a half of a cup of the Super Washing Soda and a 1/4 of a cup of the Borax. So if you take the most expensive part of this recipe is, of course, your first purchase of your essential oils, because they tend to be pretty expensive, and you want to get the 100% pure. But they come in all flavors. And so besides your essential oil, the most expensive part of this is your half bar of Fells Naphtha, because it costs 60 cents. And I don't even want to do the math for this. I think Jenny, Candid Mommy, did the math and figured that the half recipe costs like 70 cents. So it probably is a little bit more since, but I don't know. Again, I'd have to break down the ounces and all that kind of fun stuff and find out how much each one of these are. But it is super cheap. Super cheap. And I'm going to be doing a video in the morning when I put my essential oils in, and then I'm going to use this for a little while, and then I will let you all know how it goes. Alright, so this is what we have the next morning. So I'm going to give this a stir and add in my drops of my tea tree oil, essential oil, and just do it to however, whatever I think like smells nice. This already smells great. That Fells Naphtha bar yesterday when I was diluting it smelled awesome already, and this just smells fabulous. So I don't know how many drops I'm actually going to put in of the tea tree oil, but after I put the tea tree oil in, I'm going to just basically do it to smell. And then what we do with this is we put in a jug. Now I still have a couple uses of my laundry detergent that I'm currently using. So as soon as that is gone, I'm going to wash out my jug, and I'm going to put half of this mixture in and fill the other half up with water, and then you just have to shake it before every use. So I'm going to use this throughout the week and then have a follow-up on how it goes and all that kind of stuff. Alrighty, so I have this all stirred up, and I added only about 10 drops of my tea tree oil. I know a couple shakes, more than 1 drop fell out, so it was about 10, and that is all I needed. So this is what this looks like now. Awesome. But yes, this smells awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'm so very excited. I think I like this more than any detergent smell, anyways, that I've ever used. So anyways, so I am going to put this in my container as soon as my laundry detergent runs out, which should be tomorrow. And I'm going to use it for about a week and see if my husband notices a difference, if I notice a difference, and things like that. But yeah, again, half of this mixture goes in, and then you fill the other half up with water and use it just as you do any other laundry detergent. I am so very excited. Yay! But anyways, so this is what it looks like all mixed up. Awesome. Bye, guys. Hey guys, it's Annabelle. So I was just starting another load of laundry, and I almost forgot to do an update or an end result or whatever video for my homemade laundry detergent. Okay, so this is what I have for my like laundry station. Like, this is my all free and clear that I was using on my daughter's clothes, and this is the container that we had our laundry detergent in, and then this is our fabric softener bottle. Now what I have done with these two is I wanted the containers, so I bought the brands that I did for the container, and then I just take a funnel, take the caps off, and then fill it up with the kind of detergent or fabric softener that I like. Okay, so this is my homemade laundry detergent that is now in this one, and I did not fill this all the way up full because since you have to shake it. So what I do is I take this, I give it a shake, and then I love the spout on it, and it is like up in my window. So that way it's out of reach of children, dogs, all that fun stuff. So anyway, so I just wanted to do a follow-up. We have been using this laundry detergent now for, let's see, I think, well, this will be day 8, and this will be load number 10 that we have used my homemade laundry detergent on. It works great for my daughter's clothes. It works great for our clothes. I've asked my husband if he noticed a difference, and he does not. I don't notice a difference. I love the smell of this stuff. The smell that was with the Fells Naphtha soap was already awesome, and then I added my tea tree oil, and it's just a fabulous, like fresh, clean scent. I like more like mountainy kind of scents anyways, so this was perfect that we have the tea tree oil and like just the whole smell of it. So it's just awesome, and it's working very, very well for us. I am going to change out like my daughter's detergent. I think I'm going to just go away from that and just use our homemade one because it works fabulous. And our fabric softener, I'm going to be changing that out too, because I don't necessarily think that we need the fabric softener anymore. I'm going to be trying vinegar in our washes also. So that is another change that will be coming as soon as I run out of my fabric softener. But anyway, so those are all the changes that we have for our laundry. But yeah, so any questions or anything, just leave them below, and I'm going to get back to laundry. Thanks guys, bye.